Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cooking in the County, and this is going to be a really fun week. The other day I was scrolling through Facebook, and you know how your friends all kind of share a recipe here and there? Well, I saw a couple very interesting recipes, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try those for my YouTube channel because I think this would be really cool. Today's is a Kool-Aid pie, right? Kool-Aid pie. Now, I have no idea how this is really gonna set up, but we're gonna try it because I think it's very interesting. So all you're gonna need for the Kool-Aid pie is a ready-made pie crust, graham cracker, a packet of Kool-Aid. I chose mixed berry, but you can choose whatever Kool-Aid you want, a can of condensed milk, and a 8 ounce of Cool Whip. Yeah, 8 ounce of Cool Whip. So we're gonna mix it all together, and it's going to sit in the fridge for 4 hours to see if it sets up. So we're gonna try this because I'm very interested. And then we're gonna rate it to see if it is actually what it says it will do. And if it tastes good. Kool-Aid pie, I'm not sure. All this condensed milk, it is going to be sweet, I feel like. But we're gonna try it. So 1 can of condensed milk, 1 packet of Kool-Aid, let's see here. I didn't even have Kool-Aid as a kid, so I'm thinking mixed berry I thought was gonna be red, but it's not. It's bluish, but that's okay, we'll have a blue pie. I'm not sure why I thought mixed berry was gonna be red. I should have picked a red. That's okay. Okay, this will be interesting for sure. Okay, and then we're just gonna add our Cool Whip. I'm really interested to see how this is gonna turn out. Tomorrow's video, or the next video, is going to be ice cream bread. Okay, ice cream bread. 2 ingredients to make an ice cream bread. I can't wait to try it. Okay, and then it's gonna be air fryer donuts. Now that's not weird, but I've never done it, so I really wanna try it. Okay, so this is all we're doing, is folding the condensed milk, the Kool-Aid, and the Cool Whip. And I used extra creamy. See if that makes a difference, I don't know. It didn't really say. Okay. Maybe this will set up. I really didn't feel like it was gonna set up, but I think it might. And it's supposed to sit for 4 hours, it says, so we're gonna do exactly how it says. Let's get this open. So we're just gonna put this in the pie plate. No, honey. Okay, that's very quick, very easy. And it is really stiff. I really didn't think it would be. So straight it out really nicely here. Pie crust is a little cracked here. Okay, let's straighten this out here a little bit. Guys, Kool-Aid pie, we're gonna put in the refrigerator for 4 hours, and we're gonna cut it and see how well this pie works out. Let's see. Okay, the Kool-Aid pie has been cooled. I'm still sad that I got mixed berry because it's kind of a green color, but so I want to decorate it, make it look cute. Let's just put some whipped cream on it around the sides. Hey, if this is good, this might be something really great just to bring to a barbecue or something. We're gonna find out. We'll never know it's a Kool-Aid pie, or you could tell them because that'd be cool. And let's do some sprinkles around the side just to jazz it up a little bit. See, it's cute. Okay, let's cut it. Looks thick. Oh. I suppose it's gonna depend on what kind of Kool-Aid you choose for the flavor. Ha! Look at that. I'm really surprised. The crust is a little crumbly, but not the pie. I'm a little nervous to taste it, but I have to, right? I think it's the mixed berry that I chose, the flavor of that. I think it would be really great with like a lemonade or like a pink lemon or strawberry lemonade. I think that would be really yummy. I think it's just a Kool-Aid taste of the mixed berry, but the texture of it is amazing. Look at that. Maybe just because it's really sweet and I'm not used to sweets, but it does have a tang to it from the Kool-Aid. I think a lemonade or a strawberry lemonade one would be really yummy. I want you guys to try it just because I'm just shocked that it even came out right. That is really kind of cool. And how quick was it? And you could bring that to a barbecue. I think people, they would love it. They really would. I'm just picky because it's sweet. Okay guys, you gotta try this and keep watching this week because I have a couple other, is that gonna work out? Is that weird? Or is this yummy type of videos this week? But I'm also struggling for next week on what I wanna do. So if you could comment below what you would like to see me do, that would be great. Maybe you don't want me to see you do anything. Maybe not, I don't know. Trying to grow my YouTube subscribers, so if you would consider subscribing and hitting the bell button so you always know when I post a video and give me a big fat thumbs up, I would really, really appreciate it. I appreciate everyone who's watching. I really do enjoy doing my YouTube videos. I think they're really fun. But I'm not sure what it is everybody would like me to do, so if you have a few minutes, give me a comment below on what you would like me to do. Okay guys, thanks. See you in the next couple videos.